My next problem says a traffic helicopter flew directly from point A to point B in 8 minutes. Did the helicopter travel faster or slower than the driver? Explain or show your reasoning. Okay, so what's important to note here is that my helicopter took 8 minutes, and we're going to go back to the top, and we're going to notice that my driver also took 8 minutes. Okay, so my helicopter took 8 minutes, and my driver took 8 minutes. So they were both in their vehicles for the same amount of time. So if their times are equal, it just comes down to, well, who flew a shorter distance, right? If you're traveling for the same amount of time, but if you went a shorter distance, then you're going faster. So we know that my driver traveled along this road from point A to point B. However, my helicopter came down and took a direct path. In mathematics, the direct path from A to B is always your shortest route. Okay, so the helicopter flew a shorter distance in the same amount of time The helicopter flew a shorter distance in the same amount of time, so they were moving faster. Okay. Helicopter flew a shorter distance in the same amount of time, so they were moving faster. Again, because I know just from reading the problems that both vehicles were traveling for 8 minutes. My shortest distance from A to B is always the direct path. That's the path that the helicopter is taking. So if they're going a shorter distance in the same amount of time, it means they're going faster.